In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a work order request form using Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from simple surveys to complex order forms. Today we'll focus on how you can easily set up a work order request form in just 5 minutes. This process is simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough to suit more advanced needs. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Drive. Google Drive is where all your documents and forms are stored and easily accessible. If you haven't used Google Drive before, don't worry, it's very user-friendly. Once you're there, look for the New button, which is often located on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking New will give you a drop-down menu with some options. In that menu, you'll find Google Forms. Click on it, and a new tab will open with a blank form ready for you to customize. The blank form is a great starting point because it allows you to tailor everything exactly to your needs. Now that you have your blank form open, it's time to give it a name. Simply click on the field that says Untitled Form and type in a name like Work Order Request. After naming your form, it's time to add questions. This is the meat of your form. Start by clicking on the plus sign icon on the right, which will allow you to insert a new question. The first question could be something simple such as first name. You'll see a drop down next to your question where you can select the type of response you're expecting. For names, you might choose a short answer. Next, add a field for last name following a similar process. Continue adding fields for any other necessary information. For work orders, this could include fields like type of work, where you can list different types of tasks or jobs that might be requested. Another useful field might be payment method, where responders can choose their preferred payment type. As you create questions, it's helpful to think about what information you need to collect for your specific purpose. After you've added all the questions you need, it's time to see your form from the user's perspective. Click on the eye icon, which takes you to a preview of your form. This lets you double check that everything looks and functions correctly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the layout and information, go ahead and click on the Send button. This allows you to distribute your form via email, link, or even embed it into a web page. With everything set up, your work order request form is now published and ready to use. Congratulations, you've just created a work order request form using Google Forms in no time at all.